Hello guys, so today here we will see how we can create our own chat application with Python. So here I have created a chat application with Python with which you can chat with anyone using your own code via the internet or in the local environment for free. And the second thing is like you have seen you have using WhatsApp or other application with which we can do the chatting, but there whatever you are typing, it's going with the WhatsApp server and WhatsApp can look into it if needed, but here it would be completely confidential. No one can do because it's your own code via internet it is going, no one can see it. So that's the beauty. So let's go with the code. Very simple code we have here. We are using here socket programming. So let's go with the Python code. So here you will see our Python code, which is a very simple code. So what we are importing here, we are importing socket, we are importing threading. Why we are importing these things, I will let you know. So initially, if you have ever worked on socket programming, so you know this is my IP of currently my this operating system. I am using Linux here, and this is the port, and I am minding this IP with this port. So my this Python program will run in this port number in my this Linux operating system. Okay, now here I am creating two functions, which is send means it will send the message, it will, and this is receive, this will receive the message. And here I am using the while loop. Why? Because we will keep on chatting. We don't know means till how much time you will send a message or how much time you will receive a message. Here I am just asking input means whatever you will write here will save to here, and then here I am using, see, I have binded, I have created a socket and I have just stored in a variable s. So I am just saying s send to whom to you want to send. So I want to send in this IP. This is my second operating system. You can see this is my second operating system. If you do ifconfig, you can see its IP. Its IP is 192.168.1.41 here, and here the program is running in this 432 port number to here. But if you have ever used socket programming, you know when we transfer any text, any data, anything via network, there we have to import our data. Then only we can do. Okay, we can't just transfer the open data like hi. So our data will not transfer like hi. We have to encode it. Then it will transfer in this way. Similarly, here I am creating a receive function. What I am saying again, infinite time. Here I am saying where you want to receive. So I am saying s dot receive from means from here only we will receive. S knows this thing, and then I am saying when you will receive just till 20 characters only. So here I am saying just till the 20 characters only store it. Means if I just write this as a message, so first 20 characters only will be stored in the variable. Okay, we can increase it also. Then we are saying what is the client IP. So client IP would be whatever data we are getting here. What data we will get here, it would be in form of client IP as well as whatever the message it is sending. Client IP means your friend or the second program like this. Now I am saying just whatever the client IP, just copy it here. Then what would be the message? Two things will come under data. Just store the message here and then just print it. And why I am doing this, like whenever I will run this program, you will get to know. Okay, so here I have created a socket, here I have bind the socket, and then here I have just created two functions. Now if you have using WhatsApp, so it's not like only one person can send a message at a time. You can send also, you can receive also at the same time. So to do that, here we are using concept of threading. So threading means these two functions we want to run parallelly, not one by one, not one by one. This will run parallelly. So for this I am here creating a thread. So here I am just creating a task 1 which will be threading, and I am saying what is the target. So here we will pass the function name. The task 2, here we will pass the second function name, and then I want to start both of them. Okay, and then I want to call this function. Here I am starting the threading, but here I have to call them those function once. Now I have called the both function. Now they will be keep on running. Okay, so that's all about the code. Very simple code, nothing much. If you want to know more about socket programming and all, I can create a new video and there we will see. Here our agenda is very much clear, that we have to understand how we can create a chat application. And here if you want to see, this is a second system. If here you want to see how the code is looking like, so you can see. And here currently I am using the local system. Both of them are my local Red Hat system, but both of them can be on internet also. For this I have already created one video. I will link of that video in my description box, where both of those operating systems are in a different place, and via internet we are doing chatting. Very exactly same code I have used, and that's very easy. Just here we have to use the public IP instead of the private IP. That's how simple it is. So just close it. Okay, so let's run our program. I'm very excited to show you this practical. So here my Python program has started, and here also in my second system also I will start my simple code. Now let's say from here I will say hi. So here hi is being sended. So here you can see this is my white screen has the IP of 1.38, so it is saying hi. Here like from black I am saying hello. Then in my white I get see like 1.141 I get a message hello. So now I like, have you watched? So like here I am just messaging this thing, and here see it is saying this, so I will say yes. Now here like this you can type whatever you want to run, whatever you want to run. Like see here I am just keep on sending the messages. I am not receiving anything because I am not, my second person is not typing anything. So you can see this much messages I have got from here. Now here I can see so here like this we can talk. So this is very simple program of Python. Let me close this program, and this program will keep on running for infinite time till the time you want. Same thing I have done for via internet also. Via internet also you can talk. Very simple. Just here you have to use the public IP. That much simple it is. Here very simple code it is. I will share this code to you. Now you can create your own chat application, and via networking, via choosing the socket, we can talk to each other. That's much simple it is. So that's all for today. Hit the like if you like this video. Keep on posting such videos. Bye bye. Thank you.